Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Camelia. Anyone who's new here, I usually do reviews and I do hauls on different products, and I use them on camera and I give you my honest opinion. If you have watched one of my previous hauls, you would have seen that I bought a 6-in-1 derma roller kit. Dermarollering is an efficient system for anti-aging skin regeneration, right? And recently I've had some hormonal changes within my skin that would be the cause of this scarring that I have been recently working to get rid of, which obviously prompted this video today. So for those of you that don't know, derma roller is good for scarring, fine lines and wrinkles. You can use it for cellulite, hyperpigmentation and hair loss restoration. So in this 6-in-1 derma roller kit, I'm going to show you all the different pieces that attach. It's just literally one handle like this, and then you've got 6 different derma rollers that you can put on this. Each derma roller is for different areas of the face and the body. When your derma roller is used in coordination with serums, which is what is recommended to use with a derma roller, normal absorption of just a serum on its own without the derma roller is anything between 4 and 10%, but when used in coordination with the derma roller, your skin actually absorbs 70% of the serum. So step 1 is tighten or loosen the head by turning, which I've already done to get it off. I don't know if I can show you here because this has already got the alcohol in it, right? So it actually does say that you should soak your roller in isopropyl alcohol for 5 to 8 minutes, which is what I've got in here. This has actually been soaking since I got in the bath. I did read somewhere as well that you should actually inspect the needles just to make sure that none of them are bent, because you don't want to cause any damage to your skin. It says wash your face thoroughly with the brush provided. I've got my own, which is pretty much the same. Mine's a rubber one. They provide you with a rubber one that you would click on here and you would use to wash your face. I've already done my face. Let me feel what this, oh, this feels really nice. And then it literally says roll side to side and up and down 4 to 5 times. Step 5, use derma roller with your favorite beauty cream or serum for optimal results. I have chosen to use my serum that I bought recently. It is by Ava Naturals and it's a skin clearing serum, which is vitamin C plus. It has 20% vitamin C, 2% salicylic acid, 5% hyaluronic acid, 3.5% niacinamide, and 2% retinol and 10% MSM. This is what I've been using, and to be honest with you, I found that it's really been helping with my breakout. I wanted to do this derma rollering obviously sooner, but I couldn't because I had like full on whitehead breakout, and you don't want to be derma rollering your skin because basically when you've got spots or even over any areas where you have spots, because basically you're going to be puncturing it and then sort of moving it around your skin. And so I'm literally just going to rinse it off in the hot water that I have here, because I don't want any of that alcohol entering my skin once I start rollering. Apparently you would go, ooh, okay. Actually, let me get my mirror. You don't want to apply too much pressure. It kind of feels okay. I've got quite a high pain threshold, but I could see that this might be uncomfortable for some people. You want to pick it up every time you want to change direction, or if you want to move up a little bit, you want to pick it up off the skin and then change direction. It's literally like rolling needles over your skin. So yeah, don't know if you can see that my skin's going a little bit red. I'm noticing that certain areas are more painful than others. Right, so now that that is done, yeah, your skin does feel it's not uncomfortable. I would say the rollering is a slightly more unpleasant than the actual rollering is more unpleasant than the after, but you can definitely feel like you've done something to the skin. I'm actually a little bit frightened to apply this Ava serum because I feel like it might burn. So okay, so that did burn just a tiny bit, and I didn't apply a lot of pressure either. You really don't want to be applying too much pressure, but you can see that area's gone a bit red, and obviously the areas where I've rollered has gone red. This is supposed to happen, okay? You only want to do this at night because when you derma roller your skin, you're actually opening the micro channels in your skins, and they stay open for up to 3 hours. So it's the best time to apply your serums, but not the best time if you're going to be out with all the pollution and dust and everything else on your skin. So you want to be doing this at night. So obviously I did a little bit of research before I done this. I always do my own research. You guys make sure you do your research. I cannot stress that enough. If you know that you're allergic to metal, this is probably not the best thing for you. Research suggests you can derma roller your skin between 1 and 3 times a week. Personally, I'm definitely going to try and do this at least twice for the week. You can see I've got quite a bit of scarring to work through. I have found that the serum that I've been using by Ava Naturals has been amazing, because the scarring was actually worse. If I come closer, you can see that I'm actually a little bit red. I don't know if you can see, but the scarring was, I've got quite a bit of scarring, but we're going to get it together, okay? We're going to get it together. Don't you just hate that when you're looking for something and the thing's right in front of you? I took out my vitamin E. So you guys, I don't know if I showed you guys this in my nighttime routine, skincare routine, but this is vitamin E night cream, which is just rich. This is just natural vitamin E that I bought from Superdrug. This cream I use at night, so I'm going to use it. So yeah, that's it guys. This was just like a quick video. I wanted to not make it so official because at the end of the day we're all normal people out here. I'm trying this product as much as I'm new at trying it, as much as you're going to be new at trying it for the first time. This is not for the faint-hearted. It is a little bit painful, I'm not gonna lie. For me it's bearable but still very, very uncomfortable. So yeah, just bear that in mind. I will put any extra information that I feel might be useful within this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe for the ride, honey, and turn on your post notifications, guys, so that you'll know when I'll be uploading next. Your girl's been being consistent lately, okay? The energy's been getting me flowing. But in any case, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I'll see you in another one. Bye.